Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today we are comparing two powerful options, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT. The RX 6600 is designed for budget-conscious gamers looking for solid 1080p performance, while the RX 6750 XT aims to deliver exceptional 1440p gaming experiences with its higher specs. Let's dive into the details and see which card comes out on top. When it comes to performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 provides a solid experience for 1080p gaming, making it a great choice for budget gamers. However, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT takes the lead with its superior performance at 1440p, allowing for higher frame rates and better graphics settings in demanding games. If you're looking to game at higher resolutions, the RX 6750 XT is the clear winner. Memory capacity is another crucial factor in graphics performance. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 features 8GB of GDDR6 memory, which is adequate for most 1080p gaming scenarios. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter boasts 12GB of GDDR6 memory, providing more headroom for higher resolutions and demanding applications. This additional memory can be a game changer for gamers looking to future-proof their setup. Price is always a significant consideration when choosing a graphics card. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 is priced at $279, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the PowerColor Fighter comes in at $349, reflecting its higher performance capabilities. While the RX 6750 XT offers better specifications, the price difference may make the RX 6600 a more appealing choice for casual gamers. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT have their strengths. The RX 6600 is perfect for gamers seeking a budget-friendly option for 1080p gaming, while the RX 6750 XT excels in performance for 1440p gaming. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.